Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. I am doing an episode of Fun Fold Friday or Fancy Fold Friday. I've got a bunch of cards that I pulled out of my box that I just reorganized. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. I'll put it at the end of this video. And I'm going to go ahead and make Friday's Fancy or Fun Folds. The card today is one that I did just recently make. It is using, here's the card, and it uses Snailed It, and the die cuts from Snailed It, the rectangular one as well as the large mushroom, and the cutout for the snail, which I colored with blends and Copics. I will put the color numbers that I used on my blog, so you can go over there. And then I finished it off with little resin dots that are coordinating. The paper is Oso Ombre, the circles. It is a free celebration item. The hearts is the coordinating Snailed It DSP. And I wanted to show you how I made the little bit of grass there. It was using quite curvy and this curved die cut right there. So when you open it, it's really important to me with my fun folds that they lay flat for mailing. And this one in particular, a lot of them don't open 100%, but this one, the way I applied the thin strip, which I'll give measurements at the end, is by laying it flat. Libby did hers. You can change the height of this inner strip to whatever height you want. You can also make the inner strip longer if you want it to go all the way to the edge for a little bit different look. So there's a lot of variations to this particular fun fold that you could consider doing. And of course I colored that little guy as well. The dimensions are, it's a full tent card, 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. And the dimensions of my strip of red, this is real red cardstock, was 2 1/4 by 10, and I scored it at, now it's flipped around, 4 1/2 and 7 1/4. Now, if you have one of the small scoreboards and not the, say, the Stampin' Up's full-size scoreboard, you could do the 4 1/2 and then flip it the other way and do the math to subtract from 10. 7 1/4 from 10 is, let's see, on the fly, 2 3/4. So you would then flip the red around and score at 2 3/4 if you needed to. I think that's it. Just a quick one for today. Any comments, suggestions, or questions, leave them on my YouTube video or go over to my blog. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.